My name is Robert Peterlin. I'm a construction project manager and the authorized managing officer of Global Door and Hardware Installation, and we are based in Makati. We are a multi-service consultancy. We specialize in architectural doors, hardwares. We supply Cal Royal products. We install Cal Royal products.
Who are your target market?
Our target market are integrated resorts, casinos, hotels, and installations which require increased security.
What are your plans next year?
Our plans next year are to increase our market share tremendously. More business.